Hello everyone. Thanks so much for being part of our community and supporting this channel. Your enthusiasm and engagement mean the world to us. We have some exciting news to share with you. We are starting channel memberships for those of you interested in more in-depth and advanced academic content.
We have decided to include multiple courses in a single subscription on YouTube. You will gain access to a variety of courses with regular updates and new additions. To explore our exclusive content, simply click on the playlist and select the course that interests you. Curious about our upcoming courses? We have exciting topics lined up, including Academic Career Guide from a visiting scholar at Harvard University, Nanotechnology, Microfluidics, Applying for Academic Grants, Theory of Inventive Problem Solving, Publishing Kindle Books, Preparing Academic Papers using AI, Drafting Patents using AI, and more! This special offer includes many courses for one monthly membership plan. Subscribe to our YouTube exclusive content membership and get early access. See you soon!
By joining, you will get these exclusive materials and become part of our special community. We have always been passionate about sharing knowledge and helping others achieve their academic and professional goals. This membership is a way for us to connect more deeply and for you to get real value from the content we create. Thank you for your incredible support. We look forward to growing and learning together. Join our membership today and take your knowledge to the next level.